So, all right, so now let's look at another problem, the time it takes to test versus search. All right, here's some circuit, it's an AND or NOT circuit, and here's a problem. I give you an assignment of the variables, right? And I need to evaluate at the bottom, right? Anybody want to say how I do that and how long it takes? Right? Here's an AND, right? It's the AND of a false or a false. So what do we output? We output false, right? These true, false percolate down, right? What's the running time? No. No. Forget N. Look at the picture. We don't even know what N is right now. Yeah? No. Oh. No. No. Yeah? 6. Exactly. It's the number of gates, right? I have to evaluate each gate, right? So the input is in a circuit and assignment, and the output is the output of the circuit. And what's the algorithm? They percolate, the values percolate down. What's the running time? It's the number of gates, right? And, often we say this is n, but maybe the number of gates is order n too, right? It's all reasonable. The point is that this is a reasonable time algorithm. I have to give you the gates. You have to look at each gate, right? Now, let's have a different problem, all right? The input now is a circuit, no input, right? No assignment to the circuit, just the circuit. And the question is, find an assignment that outputs true, right? Everybody see that? What's an obvious algorithm? In fact, quite frankly, it's the only algorithm that we know is you try all possible assignments, right? It's called brute force. You're trying them all, right? Suppose we have n bits of input here, right? How many assignments are there? Two to the n, right? There's 2 choices for the first, 2 choices for the next, 2 for the next, 2 times 2 times 2, right? They're 2 to the n assignments, right? So this algorithm here, because I have to give you the gates, right? I would even call this linear in the number of gates, right? It's linear in the how much time it takes me to give you the input. But this guy here is horrible. It's exponential time, right? Everybody get that? All right, so remember, if n is 60, then this is the age of the universe in seconds, right? So you don't want to do it, right? It's considered not a good algorithm.